Hi, my name is Savannah Neighbors, and I am in the Masters of Arts of Professional Counseling, and I am in the state of South Carolina. So I was going to share with you a little bit about South Carolina's standards. Of course, you need a master's degree or higher from an accredited university that includes 48 hours, and that is in 10 content areas and 150 hours supervised counseling practicum. The content areas are the ones that we are enrolled in professional counseling. So you've got human growth and development, social and cultural foundations, the helping relationship, group dynamics, processing and counseling, lifestyle and career development, appraisal of individuals, research and evaluation, professional orientation, psychopathology, and the diagnostics of psychopathology. So you must already possess a first level LPC credential, and I put in my worksheet a little further down the LPCI is licensed professional counselor intern, and then this is for postmaster supervised clinical experience, so you must possess that. And then 2 years or 1,500 hours of full-time postmaster supervised clinical experience in the practice of professional counseling. So this 1,500 hours must be direct counseling with individuals, couples, families, or groups, and a minimum of the 150 hours must be a minimum of 150 hours included in the 1,500 hours must be clinical supervision provided by a board-approved LPC supervisor. So the two examinations that are required in South Carolina are the NCE, which is the National Counselor Examination for licensure, and then the NCMHCE. So that's the National Clinical Mental Health Counseling Examination. And this is to receive an LPC, which is a licensed professional counselor. And then the scope of practice, basically a licensed professional counselor can work with families, individuals, couples, and groups. We can, when I become a licensed professional counselor, we can diagnose patients with mental health and emotional problems. We can develop treatment plans to help and assist them. We cannot prescribe medications. So that is something a physician or a psychiatrist would have to do. LPCs can work in schools, community programs, hospitals. They would need a criminal background check to do this and would need to meet the COUC standards. So that is also a South Carolina standard, is to take these courses from a COUC accredited university, which Liberty University is. And then a student who, I found this really interesting, a student who seeks the authority to assess or treat serious disorders should have a practicum that covers assessment and treatment of these disorders, as well as 600-hour internship that is supervised by a mental health practitioner with qualifying experience. So I thought that was really interesting. If you wanted to go into something more serious, you have to do another 600 hours in that particular field. So that is those are the requirements for South Carolina. I'm looking forward to hearing all of your requirements as well.